all of these specimens. They're so cool. Look at how amazing this brown bear's paws are. Like, how incredible is that? Look at those claws. It's amazing. Look at the muscles. So good. So I'm back from the exhibition and it was so good. I really highly recommend going to see this. It starts today, the 12th of March, and will finish on the 12th of April. So you have 4 weeks to go and see this amazing exhibition. Every specimen was laid out according to kind of how to best show off the muscles and the tendons and the organs of the animal. It was absolutely incredible. Really well laid out, lots of room, lots of space to view the animals. Really fascinating stuff. So yeah, if you have any interest in kind of anatomy or animals, it was really great, really great. Also, there was lots of kids there today. This was, I think, a soft opening type thing, so there was a bunch of kids there and they weren't frightened or afraid, or it's not gruesome in any way. Every specimen is finished, as in it's sealed and there's no grossness or I don't know, it looks completed, let's just say. So don't be afraid of anything, or there's going to be weird bits. Yeah, it's really interesting. Loads of facts, lots of information on the walls. Yeah, it's really good. I highly recommend it. Everything you need to know, or that I've talked about in this video, will be in the description box below, so definitely expand for more info. There will be links on where to get tickets for the Inside Out exhibition. There will also be an information page on the Inside Out exhibition, and there's also going to be links to Picture This Dublin. Picture This Dublin is a collective of individuals who want to showcase and celebrate Dublin. If you want inspiration or just want to see beautiful pictures of Dublin, definitely go follow them. I will leave all of their information in the down bar. Definitely check them out. And yeah, thank you so much to them for this opportunity. And of course, my besto, Jess, thank you so much. So yeah, everything will be in the description box below. Definitely expand for more info. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.